2013 Subaru Outback Limited. Dark gray metallic paint, fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels with Michelin tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector, all-wheel drive, plenty of storage, nets on both sides, cargo mat, all-weather, cargo cover. Nice black leather interior with all-weather floor mats throughout, wood grain trim, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver's seat adjustments, heated front row seats, dual climate controls, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, CD player, HD radio, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 148,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come out and see us. AU Cars, ABC, TBD.